Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix that your network or Wi-Fi is not working on Windows 11. To do this, I will show you some steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. You can simply search over here in the search bar, device manager, and then simply open it up. And once you open this, you have to simply search over here network adapters. So as you can see over here, this option over here, network adapters, so you have to do is simply click on this arrow, and then you have to simply do is update all these apps, all these plugins. You have to simply update all these and simply click on update driver. So you can simply update all these drivers from here. So it's gonna be work and it's gonna be used no internet or like that. So you have to simply update this. It's gonna be like update locally, and that's it. And you have to do is after this you have to do is simply go to your Wi-Fi and then click on network and internet settings. So once you comes in this page, you will see over here your network over here. So you have to do is click on properties, or like you can simply click on network troubleshoot to diagnose and fix network problem. It's going to be fix all the problems that you are facing right now, and it's going to be fixed. And then you can simply replug or restart your PC and also restart your router to connect with your PC or laptop. It's going to be connected, and now the next step, you can simply use your internet on browsing or like that. So you can simply use that. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.